My heart hurts.
Do it again.
How the heck do I get negative points?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, I'm playing this coin game, and they took
I have a game I deleted.
they took my coins away from me, so I have negative 40.
Yeah.
Let's not take a video of this.
Hey! Yeah. I can't do it.
Stop it.
Michael, how do you do it?
Dude, does Michael have Skype?
I don't know. This is not Skype, fuckhead.
Well, I know, but I'm saying because
Kids.
Skype has been asking how
Okay, if because I said that, if you put this on Facebook, don't tag me because Mom will watch it. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That sounded really bad.
Yeah. 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 I can't do it the way Michael does it. With a little breath, like yeah. It would just.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay, do it. Yeah.
You do it? No.
Yeah. I do it.
Why are you asking me?
Because you hear it too. Have you ever heard him do it?
No.
Dude, Matt did it to me at CTEC. He did it right in my ear, and him and Charlie do it at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah. Please stop. You only have 26 minutes. I want water. Where did you get it?
Upstairs.
Will you get me one?
Ugh.
I love you forever.
Oh my gosh. Stop.
I love us.
My head
What is
hurts.
this? Oh, that's my little. Why is this one saying number 1? Mine's not number 1. Is mine number 1?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. It really hurts my throat.
Do the loud one.
Yeah. I don't know. What's the
Or
loud
the
one?
high pitched one. Sorry.
Is that it?
No.
What happened?
Dude, I'm about to message Michael and be like, dude, teach our daughter how to do that little nich thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Definitely don't put this on Facebook because we're talking about Michael. It's no.
It sounds like a dog. Tell me when I get it.
Stop. Stop crying.
Okay. Yeah. I look bad.
So do I.
But you're not in the video.
Yeah, no, but you can hear me.
Because looking bad definitely makes you sound bad. Unless you're like sick.
I'm congested, so.
Your mom's congested. My vagina's congested.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
How do you